is Pauline. I have a very small haul from, I think this is Bill's and Burlington. And so let's just get started. I thought this bag right here was super cute. Now, I don't think the Coach Chelsea or the LOD is particularly all that cute, but I think that this is a take on that, and I think that this is cute. So y'all can let me know if y'all agree with me that this is like a take on those two bags. So I picked this up. Let's see. I picked this up at Burlington, and it was $24.99. I thought that this was super cute. I really like this brown color. It looks like fudge to me. And this is brown and gold. It's really cute. And it also has like that drawstring kind of thing going on. It's almost like 3 Coach purses into one. I forget what that drawstring purse is named at Coach, but I think that this is super cute, like on its own. It doesn't have to mimic a Coach, but it gives to me that Coach vibe. But here we go with a little charm on it. I think that this is just perfect. And that is the name of this one. So let's take a look on the inside. So this is magnet, and you got this Juicy Couture label all around in here. So you got the 2 slips up front like they normally do, and then you got the zipper pocket in the back. But this is a nice little cavity here. I really like this. So, and then like I said, you got this little drawstring feature right here. I just think all these elements together make this just a really cute bag. All right, so this is not adjustable or anything. You can't remove this strap and you can't adjust it. But I tried it on in store and I really liked it. So I thought I would share that with you guys. I got that. And then this bag right here on its own, I wasn't all that impressed with it, but I have a hat that I picked up that I was thinking would go good with it. Okay, so this is the hat. I picked this up, I guess a couple of weeks ago at Cato. I thought it was cute, and I tried it on. It looks cute on. I bought this at Cato, and it was marked down to $10.99. Let's see. And so I thought that this would match, and I think it does. You know, it's a little different, but I think it matches. And now I got to find a shirt. I'll probably wear jeans with it, but now I got to find some kind of shirt that's going to be cute with it. But anyway, so that's why I got this particular purse. I went to, I think this was Bill's. I don't know where my, oh, here we go. Well, oh, okay, there's the tag. $14.99. But I think she's cute. You got Labor Day coming up, but it's also my birthday is around that time. So we got a slip pocket in the front. We got black kind of linen material, and you got the little name tag back here, and a little pocket back here, and we got a little pocket back here, so you can slip your phone in there. You can slip your phone in there. Even though this is a small bag, you got other little helpers, you know. Now let's see. This strap is not. I like gunmetal. So we got gunmetal hardware. I don't know what this hardware is doing except for bulking that out. No feet, but this this strap is adjustable. It's not removable. I think that's cute. All right, so I picked that up. And then I could not leave this in the store. I thought that this looked, you know, a lot like the Brooklyn. I tried this on without being trying too hard to look like the Brooklyn, you know. But Beyonce, and I thought that this was really pretty. This was really pretty. So, let's look at the charms that's got on here. Ed Hardy over there. And we got the skull over here. There is a lot of Ed Hardy at TJ Maxx, Burlington, Bell's. They're all full of Ed Hardys. But I didn't see any of the clear bags. I kind of want one of those Ed Hardy clear bags. But anyway, this was $24.99. And color is chocolate. And I guess you only get a little style number. And let's see what's in the back. There's nothing on the back. It's made kind of like that, you know, it's velvet. I guess it's supposed to mimic suede. Very nice. And then we have a magnetic closure, and the magnetic closure is really strong. I really like that. I saw a bag in TJ Maxx this weekend. It was made like this, and it was really nice, and I really debated on it. I think I'm gonna keep watching it to see if it's still there. It's $69. It's made out of real suede, but the magnetic closure was weak, and that was the reason why I didn't just go ahead and jump on it. But if they mark it down some, and if it's still there, I will pick it up. But I don't have to have it. I kept walking around with it. No, I didn't. I kept looking at it because it's one of those that you have to get them to take it off the alarm thing, so you can't actually like walk around with it. But I did try it on. It's really nice, but like I said, the magnetic closure was weak, and that made me say, well, I'll wait and see if they mark it down. All right, so here you have the two slip pockets up front. So you have a couple of sections here. You got 2 sections, and then you got a zipper middle. And this is a wipeable material, so that's kind of neat. I wonder what they maybe they want you to put your water bottle in there, just in case it leaks or something. Or you can put your makeup, pins, anything that'll leak or whatever. That's neat. Let's see. I'm having a little issue with this zipper. Probably gotta get it just right. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna keep going with that. And we got a back wall here. So cute. Alright, so that is what I thought I would share with y'all. That is my little haul. The only other thing is I picked up some hair clips. It was $4.99. And I think this is the cutest one out of the bunch. But I would like to know what y'all think, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.